Mishimelon.
We need to create 3 new words from the sounds. Let's put each letter in the correct place. J, j, jet. It flies high. Let's make another word. J, jam. It looks so yummy. There is only one word left. Jog. Great! All the words were made.
Oh, kiddies, amazing!
Move the right letter to the right spot. Z, E, B, R, A. Zebra! Amazing! Move the right letter to the right spot. Z, I, P. Zip. Do you have a jacket with a zipper? Move the right letter to the right spot. Z, P, I, Z, A. Pizza! It is delicious! Let's get some sight words together. Put each letter in the right place. R, E, D. Red. The shoe is red. Let's make another word. Put each letter in the right place. Y, E, L, W, O, W. Yellow. The sun is yellow. Are you ready for a new one? Put each letter in the right place. B, L, U, E. Blue. The car is blue. And the one last one. Put each letter in the right place. R, U, N. Run. I can run. Fantastic! You aced it, my friend. I wonder where all the color in the detective's room went. Let's color the picture according to the letters. It looks much better. Great work, partner!
Some words are missing a sound at the beginning. Let's fix it. Choose the correct letter for the beginning sound. Cab. Great job. The cab is yellow. Choose the correct letter for the beginning sound. Pig. Awesome. This pig is cute. Choose the correct letter for the beginning sound. Net. Well done. He fixed the net. You found all the sounds at the beginning of the words. Keep it up.
Do you already know how these words are spelled? Move the right letter to the right spot. U-S. Bus! You did it well! Move the right letter to the right spot. U-N. Sun! It is bright and makes any day warmer. Move the right letter to the right spot. U-D-O-N-U-T. Donut. So round and tasty. Mmm. Let's help the letter get to the word. Guide the letter through the maze to the word. Great job! This letter A completes the word cat. Let's find the correct sounds that the words start with. Let's put the right letter into the right place. Pen. Well done. This pen is blue. Let's put the right letter into the right place. Car. Awesome! The car is going fast. Let's put the right letter into the right place. Log. Great job! There is a frog on a log. Amazing job! You did all the tasks. I think there should be some cards here. Let's find them. Tap on the gift. This is the sound Choose a card that starts with the sound ah. You are right. This is an umbrella. Let's try one more time. Tap on the gift. This is the sound ah. Choose a card that starts with the sound ah. Correct! This is an apple. Look, another gift. Tap on the gift. This is the sound I. Choose a card that starts with the sound I. Awesome! This is an igloo. Wow! Let's do one more gift. Tap on the gift. This is the sound ah. Choose a card that starts with the sound Good guess. This is an octopus. One last one. Tap on the gift. This is the sound eh. Choose a card that starts with the sound eh. Great! This is an egg. You have found all the cards. Great job! Let's help the letter get to the word. Guide the letter through the maze to the word. Great job! job! This letter U completes the word bug. Let's try to write some sight words. Move the drop to trace the letter C. Move the drop to trace the letter A. Move the drop to trace the letter N. This is how the sight word can is written. Bimmy can jump. Let's write another word. Move the drop to trace the letter C. Move the drop to trace the letter O. Move the drop to trace the letter M. Move the drop to trace the letter E. This is how the sight word come is written. We will come home later. Here is a new word. Move the drop to trace the letter F. Move the drop to trace the letter O. Move the drop to trace the letter R. This is how the sight word for is written. Let's go for a walk. And the last one? Move the drop to trace the letter H. Move the drop to trace the letter E. Move the drop to trace the letter R. Move the drop to trace the letter E. This is how the sight word here is written. Please come here. 4 more words in your collection. Well done.
Let's help to complete the word. Guide the letter through the maze to the word. Great job! The letter O completes the word mop.
Are you ready to find words that start with a sound from a gift? Tap on the gift. This is the sound S. Choose a card that starts with the sound S. You are right. This is the sun. Let's try one more time. Tap on the gift. This is the sound M. Choose a card that starts with the sound M. Correct. This is a nest. Look, another gift. Tap on the gift. This is the sound R. Choose a card that starts with the sound R. Good guess. This is a ring. Wow! Let's do one more gift. Tap on the gift. This is the sound P. Choose a card that starts with the sound P. Great! This is a pig. One last one. Tap on the gift. This is the sound Qu. Choose a card that starts with the sound Qu. Awesome! This is a queen. Great! You have found them all.
Wow.
Let's play some sound games.
Drag the picture with the beginning sound of eh. Ball,
Cup,
egg. Ball, egg.
cool. Are you ready for a new one?
Tiger,
Monkey,
elephant, elephant.
great.
Let's do it one more time. 20, 11, 9, 11.
You did great. Let's make it even more interesting.
Drag the picture with the middle sound of eh. Lamp, rug, bed. Rug, bed.
Splendid. Are you ready for a new one?
Hand, leg, lip, leg.
Woohoo! And then one last one.
Car, jet,
Truck.
jet.
Super.